Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, the 24th, the day before Thanksgiving. Today we are moving to Fredericksburg, Virginia, which is like 2 hours south of where we are in the DC area. So a pretty quick drive today. We're happy about that. So I thought I'd show you kind of what we do to pack up the camper. So as far as the bedroom area goes, you just want to make sure that all your doors and cabinets are shut, that your closet doors are locked, and then anything that would be on the floor, like our laundry hampers, air purifier, you know, all that would like normally be down there. So we just put it all on the bed, and that way when this slide closes, you know, there's nothing in the way. As far as downstairs goes, what you really want to do is just like do all your dirty dishes, so that way you can use the sink to store a few things. But I'm gonna film a time lapse and kind of show you guys, you know, just all the stuff on the walls, the counters, you know, anything that could fall. It has to have a place, and so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pack all this up, put the dogs in the truck, and then close her on up. Oh, and I got this little... You okay, Callie? I got this little pine Christmas tree at the grocery store yesterday. Dude, did you just barf? Gross. And then what we do in the bathroom is you just take anything, forgot that, that's, you know, unsecured, and just put it on the floor. Make sure you latch your shower door shut. And then I just, you know, clean this whole area, clean out the sink, and then everything that would be on the counter goes in the sink. And now everything is officially secured and put away, and we are ready to hitch up to the truck. So the good routine we've gotten into is I actually back the truck up, and Ryan is directing me where to go and like raising and lowering the camper as needed so that we can you know, get the hitch in there perfectly. And it's kind of scary if you think about it, but this little mechanism is what holds 13,000 pounds attached to our truck. So now that we are hitched, it's safe to remove our wheel chocks and pack those up. And then I'll be packing up all of these leveling blocks, which just kind of help out our automatic leveling system. So this exterior driver's side cabinet is where we store all of our plumbing, all of our leveling blocks. Those things hold up our exterior plumbing, the wheel chocks. So we are all done with that compartment. I'm so short, it's hard to do that one-handed. And then we've already disconnected our water hose and put that in this compartment. And then Brian just disconnected our electric. And we really don't have a good system in place for this. You think we would by now, but I don't know. We just kind of throw it in there and it seems to work. So yeah. We have our bikes locked up and ready to go, and our spare gray water tank. So we are all set to leave. Making some pumpkin pie filling. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I didn't end up filming a lot today. I just got kind of in a rush getting food ready. So we ended up going to some family of Brian's to have our meal at, and had a really nice day, and just got home. As you can see, the house is full of dirty dishes, so gonna take care of that and get some rest. Talk to you guys later. Good afternoon, guys. It's Friday the 26th. We had one last opportunity to reconnect with some friends in the DC area. So we got an Amtrak from Fredericksburg into DC for the day. So got a coffee and we are walking to meet them now. Good afternoon, guys. It's Sunday. Nope, Saturday. We are at the Spotsylvania County battlefield site, and they have a like 4.5 mile loop trail that we can do on the bikes. So we're gonna unload those and probably like ride the trail twice just to get in a good workout. So all along this battlefield trail, we've been seeing like some mounds and some ditches. We just read a sign explaining that these are actual trenches that have filled in over the years from the Civil War. So I'll try to find some more along the way and show you guys those, but thought that was really interesting. So where we are, this marks the site of a farmhouse that got caught in the middle of the Battle of Bloody Angle in the Civil War. So this poor farmer, the Union and the Confederacy just like had a major battle on his property, And then the Union actually took a bunch of his land to bury their dead. So there's almost 1,500 Union soldiers that were buried right here. This is pretty crazy. There are some more trenches. Here's another section of trenches that are really easy to see. Ryan left me. This site, we just read, apparently there was another bad battle fought right here in all the trenches that you can kind of see. And 2,500 Union soldiers died right here. So after our bike ride, Ryan and I decided that we wanted to do our own Thanksgiving today. So we stopped at the store and got some food items so that we could, you know, create our meal. So let me show you. We are making a turkey breast in the air fryer. So we'll see how that turns out. I've got a cheesy potato casserole that'll finish cooking. I'm gonna do some green beans. Got some mushroom gravy. And then we got a little Christmas tree at the store and some super awesome Jack Skellington lights. Our funny little camper. And we're gonna put some Christmas ornaments on the tree, and then Ryan just strung up some lights. So we are getting in the holiday spirit over here. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you all next week.